Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bread makers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Kitchen in the Box 2LB 12-in-1 bread maker. This compact bread maker offers 12 pre-programmed options for baking everything from gluten-free bread to homemade jams. Its 13-hour delay start and 60-minute keep warm function make it a convenient choice for busy households. The intelligent fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the perfect time, ensuring evenly distributed flavors in your loaf. Plus, the non-stick aluminum alloy pan is both durable and easy to clean. The design is sleek and modern, with an LCD display and button controls for intuitive use. The transparent viewing window lets you monitor the baking process without disrupting it. While the motor is powerful at 550 watts, it's also energy efficient, ensuring consistent heat distribution for perfectly browned crusts. However, with only 2 loaf sizes, 1.3 pounds and 2 pounds, and fewer program options compared to higher-ranked models, it might feel slightly limited for more advanced bakers. In terms of value, it's a solid, budget-friendly choice for those who prioritize simplicity and reliability. The Kitchen in the Box bread maker is ideal for individuals or couples who want fresh, homemade bread without the complexities of advanced features. Pros include its compact design, ease of use, and affordability, while cons include fewer loaf size options and lower customer ratings compared to the higher-ranked products. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Programmable bread maker. As the most budget-friendly option on this list, it's perfect for those who want to dip their toes into the world of bread making without breaking the bank. With 14 customizable settings, you can prepare everything from basic white bread to gluten-free recipes and even jams. The Express Bake feature is particularly noteworthy, allowing you to bake a fresh loaf in under 90 minutes. A lifesaver for last-minute meals. Design-wise, the machine is compact and straightforward, featuring a user-friendly LCD display and button controls. Its 2-pound loaf capacity and non-stick pan make cleanup a breeze, but the build quality is slightly lighter at just 7.57 pounds, which might feel less durable compared to other models. While it's a great entry-level option, it lacks advanced features like a fruit and nut dispenser or highly customizable baking programs. Overall, the Amazon Basics bread maker is ideal for beginners and casual bakers who want a no-frills machine that gets the job done. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and speedy baking feature, while cons include fewer crust color options and less robust build quality compared to premium models. Coming in at number 3 is the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker Machine. If you're looking for versatility without sacrificing affordability, this machine delivers with its 19 pre-programmed menu options. From white bread to pizza dough and even gluten-free recipes, it provides a wide range of baking possibilities. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function add convenience, allowing you to bake fresh bread whenever it suits your schedule. The design is charming, especially in its mint color, which adds a pop of personality to your kitchen. With a 2-pound loaf capacity and 3 size options, 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound, it's suitable for both small households and larger families. The non-stick pan ensures easy cleanup, and the included accessories, like the measuring cup and kneading blade, make it beginner-friendly. At 550 watts, it's energy efficient, though it lacks some advanced features found in higher-ranked models, such as a fruit and nut dispenser. The Elite Gourmet bread maker is a great mid-range option for families or individuals who want variety in their baking options without spending a fortune. Pros include its wide range of menu settings, attractive design, and affordability, while cons include a slightly noisier operation and fewer advanced customization options. Taking the second spot is the Oipoto 2-ton bread maker machine. This model stands out with its impressive 17 automatic programs, catering to everything from basic bread to gluten-free recipes, yogurt, and even jam. Designed with beginners in mind, it simplifies bread making. Just add your ingredients, select a program, and let the machine handle the rest. The 15-hour delay timer and keep warm function ensure fresh bread whenever you need it, making it a great option for busy households. The Oipoto bread maker boasts a sturdy stainless steel design that not only looks premium, but also offers durability and low noise operation at 50 decibels. The 600-watt motor ensures consistent and efficient baking, while the non-stick pan makes cleanup effortless. With 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pounds, and 3 crust settings, it provides excellent customization for different preferences. However, at 11.68 pounds, it's slightly bulkier, which might be a consideration for smaller kitchens. This bread maker offers a fantastic balance of features, performance, and price, making it ideal for families who want flexibility and high success rates in their baking. Pros include its robust build, quiet operation, and versatile programs, while cons include its larger size and higher price compared to entry-level models. Finally, at number 1 is the Quezinart Convection Bread Maker Machine, the ultimate premium option for bread enthusiasts. This model offers 16 menu features that cater to a variety of baked goods, including gluten-free bread, artisan loaves, and even custom recipes. The standout feature here is the convection fan, which circulates air to create bakery-quality crusts and textures. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser ensures perfectly distributed flavors, and the custom timing option gives you full control over the baking process. With its stainless steel design, the Quezinart bread maker is not just durable, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. It's compact enough to fit most countertops, yet powerful enough to deliver exceptional results. The 2-pound loaf capacity, 3 crust color options, and 3 loaf sizes make it versatile for different baking needs. While it's hand wash only, the overall build quality and attention to detail justify the premium price. If you're serious about bread making and willing to invest in top-tier performance, the Quezinart Convection Bread Maker is your best bet. Pros include its advanced features, superior build quality, and customizable options. Cons include its higher price tag and slightly steeper learning curve for beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.